In today's video, we're going to be finding out if it's actually possible to add your Vanilla gift card into Cash App. So I've seen a few different videos claiming that you can add your Vanilla Visa gift card into your Cash App. So in terms of actually adding the Vanilla Visa gift card directly into your Cash App account, it is not possible. However, it is possible to get the funds that are on your gift card into your Cash App. So to do that, you will actually have to sell your Vanilla Visa gift card via a gift card exchange. And from there, you can transfer the funds that you get from the sale into your Cash App account. So although this isn't the answer you were probably hoping for, this is the only way of getting your Vanilla Visa gift card funds into your Cash App account. So the website that I'm on is actually a UK gift card exchange, but obviously if you're from America, you're going to want to find an American version of this. But I do want to mention that you should take time trying to find a legitimate site that you can sell your gift cards on, because there are some sites out there that will try and scam you and steal your gift cards. So make sure to check out the reviews and make sure it is safe before actually selling to them. But when you are on their site, you can simply just choose to sell the gift card, and then you can type in the gift card that you're looking to sell, and from there you'll be able to see all the offers you can get for your Vanilla Visa gift card. So hopefully you now know that it's not possible to directly add your Vanilla Visa gift card into Cash App. However, this is how you can do it indirectly. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.